Hi, welcome back to a helpful video where I'm going to show you what I do with our leftover baked potatoes. My daughter and my husband both love baked potatoes. He has access to a microwave, so I typically split the baked potato, place it in a microwave safe dish, load it with toppings, and well, that's so simple, right? But my daughter does not have access to a microwave, so what I do is I cut up the baked potato into smaller pieces and heat up the baked potato until it's very hot. Then I simply place the very hot potato inside of the thermos and put the lid on like this while I warm up the other ingredients. She loves to top her baked potato with a little bit of butter, steamed broccoli, and cheddar cheese. I simply just heat up the broccoli and make sure that it goes in really hot. And don't worry too much about the cheese. I just put it on top, then I simply just close the lid and put it inside of the lunch bag. Make sure to remember to add a fork. And that's it. I know that some thermoses are taller and some are wider and larger. I have a thermos comparison video like you see here, and I'll link it in the description box below so you can check those out if you're looking for a new thermos container. Click the subscribe button because a new video comes out every single week. See you next time.